Real quick, I want to share with you something I learned after having my motor trim go out while on the water, and this might save you if you find yourself in the same pinch. So again, basically the motor wouldn't trim up and down, and we're getting ready to leave, and if you know anything about boating, you're really not going to go anywhere fast if you cannot trim your motor down so that your prop is in the water. Mine was completely out because we were hanging out on the island, and it wasn't until we started to head out that I discovered the motor wouldn't trim up or down. If you find yourself in the same situation, this is what you can do to move your motor up and down. All you need is a screwdriver, and I have a Suzuki motor here, but on the side of your transom there is this area here where you could put a flat tip screwdriver to release your hydraulic, I believe, and this is going to allow the motor to either to manually lift it up or down, and this is what we had to do in order to get the motor low enough so that we can get off and get safely back to the dock. And now I'm going to need to replace the actual trim motor itself, and in case you're wondering where that's located at, this is the actual trim motor here that I'm gonna have to replace here, that I just ordered. It's a really inexpensive part, but it's essential if you're gonna make sure your motor go up and down. Again, I've had my boat for over 4 years now. This should be a really easy replacement. We'll know here shortly once we get that part on, and hopefully get this boat back in the water same day. But again, this is going to be your trim motor here if you ever run into a situation where you need to replace it. And if you find yourself needing to manually lift your motor up and down, you just need a flat tip so that you can turn to either release the pressure of the hydraulics in order to allow the motor to lift up or down, whether in the water or out of the water. I had to do this while in the water, so I know it works because I was able to get it back home or back to the dock safely. But hope you found this video helpful. It's something that I learned, and I'd rather you know it before you find yourself in the same situation like I was in. But do me a favor, hit that like button, please share, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.